Divas and Divos, it's me, just Londa. This is day 4. Yes! So I am giving you a dramatic, over the top, basic look. Yes! I'm just saying, this look came through for day 4. Day 5, I forgot to, I'm gonna have to do my I was a bit emotional at the end. But yes, this is day 4. This is an over-the-top, dramatic, basic look. Like when you want to take your basic look and then take it a bit further. So yeah, Divas and Divos, let's go ahead and roll that beautiful baked bean footage. Alright, Divas and Divos, so I've got my lids prepped with Too Faced Mocha on my eye, and I set it with the benign powder. I just kind of sculpt my brows up, just using some hair gel for now. So what I want to do is something overly basic, because I want to wear some big lashes. I want to try wearing some big lashes. So I'm going to go with my Natasha Denona palette and pull up this color here. And just put that as a backdrop on my eye. I'm going to go into my favorite palette right now and use this darker brown in here, and I'm going to use my Hakuhodo brush, J146. I'm pretty sure that the number's changed. And I'm just going to start deepening up this crease right in here. I'm going to take Juvia's Place number 16 concealer and just put that on here. I'm going to go back into my Natasha Denona palette, and I'm going to grab this color here from the top. I love that color. I feel like I use it all the time. Okay, I'm going to go out my comfort, it's not my comfort zone, but it's not what I was planning on doing. So I'm going to use this one here. Alright, we lay that down. It's not the place that I want it to be, but it's alright. Gonna go with my favorite chocolate brown hair. I want to give it a bit more dimension, so I'm going to go into this gold color here, right here, and pop that into center with my finger. For the inner corner, I'm going to take this color here and put that in a tear duct. Now I have a feeling that this is going to change because it's not giving me what exactly I want, so. Okay, so I am going to put on my base and come back so we can do the lower lash. Okay, so I have my base on. This is going to go quite quickly, and I hadn't thrown on my lash yet, but yeah. So let's go back into this palette here, and as a backdrop for my lower lash, I'm going to go in with Natasha Denona's color right here. And I'm going to just line that right through the lower lash. And then on top of that, I'm going to go in with my, I'm going to mix these two colors together and put that underneath my lower lash on top of that. So kind of give it like a gradient effect. So I'm going to take this liner from MAC. It's an old liner. It's a gold, super slick liner. And I want to just kind of put that into the crease. We'll see if it works. I'm not sure. Okay, I kind of messed up on the side, but it is what it is. So I'm going to put all my contour and stuff, my powder stuff, and throw on my lash and come back. And yeah, extremely dramatic. No, it's not. That's not what I was going to call it. Or Divas and Divos, this is the finished look. Oh, I am so excited over this look. Look at this look. I'm just like, I did not come to play. I came to be scrumdiddlyumptious, just like it, just like, oh, okay. So I got on my foundation from Estee Lauder Futurist Hydra Rescue, and this is in the color Sandalwood, which I hate. Under my eye, I have for concealer Too Faced Maple, and then I did a little bit of number 16 from Juvia's Place, the bronzer and blusher. No, the bronzer and contour came from my Sephora palette. The blusher and the blusher came out of my Sephora palette from, oh gosh, sorry. Hold on, because I thought I knew everything about hot, but I guess I didn't. It's a little bit of After Party, and then Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 2 in Lena. I also took a bit of LA to do my little highlight, and the lashes are, if I decide to come out with some faux mink and mink lashes, I haven't decided what I want to do, to be honest. So these are just my, we'll just call them test runs from now on. This is my test run. We'll call it test run lashes. I also took that gold and put that right there in the, in a tear duct. And yeah, and then I also did my buffing technique with my almond powder, just a little bit, not much. Oh, and my brows is from Gordone Cosmetics. Yeah, this is a look, Divas and Divos. I don't know who your mama is, but I'm your mama. You know what I'm saying? I don't know who your mama is, but I'm your mama. I am looking scrumptious. Yes. I purposely did not say what I have on my lips. That'll be coming up shortly. And yeah, Divas and Divos. I am so glad that I've done this for you guys. I really am. I'm just loving the looks. So yeah, Divas and Divos, tell me, how did you enjoy this? Yeah. So I don't even know what to say, because I can't believe that I did that. I gave this to y'all. So it was so hard. It really was, because this is 2-in-1, but I'm wrapping everything up. So this is day 4 for y'all, and day 5 will be coming up after this. But I hope you enjoyed the content. And day 4, thank you for watching, rating, subscribing, all that good jazz that make you feel so warm and fuzzy inside. Peace and peace. Bye.